In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can use Chat GPT and Booking.com to make an income from home, starting right now. Before we dive in, this could be a course on its own, and the methods I will be teaching you today is what I use when consulting brands on how to build an online business if they don't want to show their face. This is completely free for you, so just smack the like button and subscribe for future content like this. A few things to get out of the way. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to spend 3, 4, or 5+ hours per day on this. So just pay attention until the end and you'll see how awesome this can be. First, go to Google and type in Booking.com affiliate program. You can sign up by putting in your information and some details. Use your website if you have one or your socials for the URL. If you don't get accepted, don't worry. Just use a similar travel affiliate program. Second, go to Chat GPT and command something like this. Make me a 30-second or less TikTok script on traveling and why it is awesome. Copy and paste the answers. You can use other prompts such as make a 30s or less video about why people want to travel the world. Copy and paste the answers. Step 3, after you have scripts made for you, you need to create a TikTok account. I don't care what you name it, just make it related to the topic of the program you signed up for. For step 4, you have 2 options, and I will talk about Pictory.ai first. This website allows you to make a video with stock footage easily by just using the text you just created. It is called text to video. You just copy and paste the script, and Pictory will spit out a short-form video for you to use. Make sure to go through the images and make sure they are relevant. You can try this for a free trial without even putting your credit card in. The second option for this step is to sign up for a program called Colossian. This is similar, except for instead of stock images, it will create an AI avatar spokesperson that you can have voice the script. This for me is my favorite, and I have gotten millions of views with this method. It's pretty crazy what AI can do these days. You can also try this AI tool completely free and play with the different AI avatars and voices that fit your style. Or if you're like me, you can switch it up and become an expert with the AI avatars. Step 4 is the most important of all of them. As of right now, we have become an affiliate for a program so we can get paid a % of sales and not have to do any customer service or support. We have used Chat GPT for multiple scripts, so we will never run out of content ideas. We have used Pictory or Colossian to make short-form videos. And you probably think, well, let's post them and send them right to the link. This is where everyone fails. And most don't even make it to this point. This is where everyone goes wrong, and I'm going to teach you the secret to truly making an income online. You need to set up a real online business and capture leads, have an automated email follow-up sequence. And this will allow you to send even more affiliate offers and products to your new leads as you create content and people want to learn more. Go to Endeavor. All of these steps are in my free ebook checklist, so you don't worry. You can get a 30-day free trial to this. I promise, please don't be confused. I will teach you an in-depth training to set this up once and be done with it. Sign up and you will be able to create an opt-in page where you will start getting emails to your email list. You can now send emails to them as many times as you want for the rest of your life until they opt out. The beauty in this is that you build a relationship with them and offer them things that will solve a problem. Once they opt in, you can now send them to your affiliate link to your Booking.com offer. Some will buy right there and then, but some may need some follow-up emails to know, like, and trust you. Follow-up is the true key to making money online because statistically not 1 or 2 or even 3, but it takes people 7 times or touch points to purchase something. Work smarter, not harder, and automate this. So when people click your link, you get their email. For those that try out, Endeavor will also include copy and paste emails, so you don't have to come up with these on your own. This in itself will save you hundreds of hours, so take advantage of this amazing bonus just for you. Lastly, once you have your automated business working for you 24/7, now you can begin to post. Step 5. Before you post your video onto TikTok, an extra layer that will give you more views and reach is adding subtitles. The reason we do this is because many people watch short-form content without the volume on. Not only that, but it is another way to grasp the attention span of the viewer. We know we only have a few seconds when someone swipes onto our videos to get their attention. We need to take advantage of that. An app I really love to use on my phone is called Captions app. It will automatically add subtitles to any video you upload. This is for iOS only, so if you have an Android, I would recommend using something such as CapCut. Once you have your video from Pictory or Collation, have added the engaging subtitles. There is one last step that will blow your mind. Step 6. Go to the website repurpose.io. Once again, I have a link in the free checklist/ebook so that you don't have to figure this out on your own. Repurpose.io is an insane AI tool that you can create simple workflows that will automatically post your TikTok videos to other social media platforms. An example of this is to set up an automatic workflow from TikTok to Instagram Reels. As you can see, this will be a powerful way for you to get your videos onto 6 or more platforms, rather than just one. Now that you have all of those steps up and running, it is time to publish your video. Step 7 is to log into your TikTok account, press the plus at the bottom, and upload your video. Here are some tips on this so you do not look like a complete beginner. Remember, the more you do this, the better you will get, so seek after improvement each time. Add text to your video for the headline, and change the time duration to that headline for just the first 3 seconds or so. This will help you keep the viewer's attention. Add a sound in the background by clicking the Add Sound button. Once you add a sound, make sure the volume of your background sound is 10% or less, so it does not overshadow the information of the video. Lastly, click the Enhance button so that the video gets a small quality boost. Once you are done with that, click Next. Add a small description of the video, add a few hashtags if you want to, then you simply click Post. Now your video will be getting views on TikTok, and then the video will be fired off to all of your other platforms as well, within 2 hours or less. If you have made it this far, don't be scared to smash the subscribe button, like this video, to help with the algorithm. And please comment below if you have any questions. Remember, our entire brand is to help you escape your financial situation to a better life. Hence why we are called Digital Escape. If you haven't grabbed your checklist and ebook, what the heck are you doing? Take advantage and be a doer instead of a consumer. Make sure to check out our other videos for how to leverage all of these programs, and please use all of these expert marketing strategies for good. See you in the next video.